Welcome to Health Watch Daily. Today, we're going to talk about a natural and effective way to aid in weight loss, using cider vinegar. Cider vinegar has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health conditions, but did you know it can also help with weight loss? In this video, we'll discuss the science behind how cider vinegar can help with weight loss and provide tips on how to use it effectively. Before we dive in, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. We promise it will be worth it. Now, let's get started with how to use cider vinegar for weight loss. Cider vinegar is made from apples and is known for its acetic acid content. This acetic acid has been shown to have weight loss benefits. Studies have found that consuming acetic acid can lead to decreased body weight, body fat mass, and waist circumference. One study conducted on 175 people found that those who consumed 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar daily for 12 weeks lost an average of 2 pounds and had a decrease in body fat percentage. Another study found that consuming 2 tablespoons of vinegar daily for 8 weeks led to a decrease in belly fat in obese individuals. One way that cider vinegar can aid in weight loss is by increasing feelings of fullness. When you consume cider vinegar before a meal, it can help you feel more satiated, leading to less overall food consumption. Additionally, it has been found to improve insulin sensitivity, which can lead to weight loss. Insulin sensitivity is important because when it's high, it means that your body is more efficient at using insulin to regulate blood sugar levels, which can lead to weight loss. Another way that cider vinegar can help with weight loss is by increasing metabolism. Cider vinegar has been found to increase the rate at which your body burns fat, making it easier to lose weight. One study found that consuming vinegar before a high-carb meal led to increased fat burning after the meal. Another study found that consuming vinegar before a high-fat meal led to decreased fat storage. To use cider vinegar for weight loss, it is recommended to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar mixed with water before each meal. You can also add it to salad dressings, marinades, or use it as a condiment. It is important to note that consuming too much cider vinegar can cause damage to your tooth enamel and throat, so it's best to consume it in small amounts and diluted with water. It is also important to note that while cider vinegar can aid in weight loss, it should not be the only method relied upon. A healthy diet and regular exercise are crucial for weight loss and overall health. For example, if you're consuming a diet that is high in processed foods and sugar and not getting enough physical activity, consuming cider vinegar will not be enough to achieve weight loss goals. Additionally, if you're taking medication for diabetes or have a chronic health condition, it is important to consult with your doctor before adding cider vinegar to your diet. In conclusion, using cider vinegar for weight loss can be a natural and effective way to aid in weight loss. By consuming cider vinegar before meals, you can increase feelings of fullness, improve insulin sensitivity, and increase your metabolism. Remember to consume it in small amounts and dilute it with water, and combine it with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Now, let's get to that bonus we promised you earlier. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.